Look, listen, and say.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
We are going to play a word game today.
Hurrah! Let's start. Do activity A from your textbook.
Look, listen, and say.
Good afternoon, Sabina.
Good afternoon, Hassan.
Where are you going?
I'm going to buy some books.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Do activity B from your textbook. Pair work. Act dialogues as in activity B. Use the pictures.